Welcome to MCQ practice for CS certificate level information technology. This episode covers the topic secondary storage. First question, serial number 121. Example of secondary device is hard disk or RAM. Example of secondary device means which one is secondary device, either hard disk or RAM. The correct answer is A. Hard disk is an example of secondary device. Next question. Main purpose of secondary storage is option A, to temporarily store data. Option B, to permanently store data. Which one is the main purpose of secondary storage? Either storing data temporarily or storing data permanently. The correct answer is option B. To permanently store data is the main purpose of secondary storage. Question 123. Compared to primary storage, one of the characteristics of secondary device is a non-volatile, B. temporary. Which one is the characteristics of secondary device? The correct answer is option A. Non-volatile is the characteristic of secondary device compared to primary storage. Next question 124. Following which magnetic device is secondary storage? A. Hard disk drive. B. USB flash drive. Which one is correct answer? Which magnetic device is secondary storage? Either hard disk drive or USB flash drive. The correct answer is option A. Hard disk drive is a magnetic device and it is secondary storage. Question 125. Primary purpose of cache memory is option A, to store data permanently. Option B, to increase processing speed. Which one is correct answer? To store data permanently or to increase processing speed, which one is the primary purpose of cache memory? The primary purpose of cache memory is to increase processing speed, so correct answer is option B. Next question. Which secondary storage device is suitable for large scale backups? Option A, tape drive. Option B, SSD. Which one is suitable for large scale backups? Tape drive or SSD? The correct answer is option A. Tape drive is suitable for large scale backups. Next question. No moving parts are hard disk drive, HDD, or SSD, solid state device. Which one is no moving parts? Correct answer is B. SSD, solid state device, is no moving part. Next question. Optical storage is CD, DVD, or SSD? Which one is optical storage among CD, DVD, or SSD? The correct answer is option A. CD or DVD is optical storage. Next question. Commonly used storage device in smartphone is A. Micro SD card or B. Optical disc. Which one is correct answer? Micro SD card or optical disc? We have to choose the correct one. Which one is commonly used storage device in smartphone? The correct answer is option A. Micro SD card, commonly used storage device in smartphone. Question of this episode. True statement is option A. Secondary storage is volatile. Option B. Secondary storage retains data even when the power is turned off. Which one is true statement? Either secondary storage is volatile or secondary storage retains data even when the power is turned off. The correct answer is option B. It is true statement that secondary storage retains data data even when the power is turned off. Thank you very much.